I had the equipment so you can sing. Hey, whatever happened to Fragile? Right? Did she come up there? She does. She what?
She was up here earlier.
Did she sing? Oh, come on, Veronica. Get down there. Oh, when they come, listen, this is her first time here, so she's a newbie. This is my great friend Veronica. Dawn's old hat, she knows how to do everything. Okay, so check it out. When the guys come up, here's what you do. If they're real good looking, you hug them and you give the trophy. If they're not, you hug their wife. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. They're all good looking, and I love every single one of our Louie. We'll get a good start. Camaro Modern. And if we didn't have any class, we picked other vehicles for the extra awards. Larry. Oh boy. Winiowitz. Winiowitz. How do you say it? Winowitz. Winowitz is a winner. Alrighty then. Larry Winowitz. How about a round of applause for Larry? Gary Fabry in a Mustang 94 to 2000. Good one on aisle 5. Harold Coates and a Corvette C4. Harold Coates. Bob Shepard, 1969 Pontiac Grand Prix. Man, that was a year. Bob Shepard. Gary and Marcia with the Firebird 1967. Chelt? Gary and Marcia. Who are you? Did I say your name right? Lance? No, there's only one of those. Steve Frazier, Corvette C3. Steve Frazier. Ryder truck. Brian Alexander, 1992 Mustang. Brian Alexander. Justin, I like your tutu. Hey, we're gonna take a break for a minute. Come on, Randy, show from Silver Auction. There's new owners to the Silver Auction, and inside of your money bag, you actually got a free pass to go to the auction one day, which is really a lot of fun. And we've been making up so that to all of you. Hey, don't go anywhere. Stop right there. Hey, POW, stop right there. Come on, Andy.
24, 25, and 26, starting the day after Thanksgiving. Bring everybody out. Family meals, a lot of fun.
Look at that electric start going.
You gotta turn it on.
Wow, now that's the
So we're going to draw two. Who wants to
Now this is it.
grab anyone? Jenna equals EQUELS. Jenna equals. Jenna, are you here? You're gonna have to wait because I got all the information. The garage box is underneath the Sanderson Ford tent. Hey, Rick, can you bring the box up here and then it'll come up here? And the winner is Isaiah Prince.
Are they walking on?
Isaiah Fritz, are you out there? Must be a signed up a minute ago. Isaiah. Okay, we got one more. On the shelter car, this is gonna put in the three-side pocket for like 80,000 square foot. Beautiful air conditioning place to sell. We're gonna have a big show up there too. Okay, let's go. Joy Lanero. Greg Romero. 3539, I know what that is. Oh, that's that big cool one. Right? Awesome. Gary Hatch with the Ram 1500 2016. Gary Hatch. The Stormtrooper. Under construction, we only have one of those. T.L. Thomas. T.L. Thomas. T.L. Thomas, you out there? Okay, that's Buzz. I know he is. I know you are. No, he's not in disguise. Ford Mustang 2004 Elijah. In the Mustang. I know it's you, isn't it? Yeah. Rod Loveless. Camaro Z28 1985. Rod Loveless. Try 5, Les. Ewer. Ewer? Ewer. Les. Try 5, 55. I'm sorry. Dwayne. Dwayne. Dodge. Dennis Savo. Phil Miller. 1947 Mercury Coupe. Phil Miller. Better known as Frankie. Willie Clark. Willie Clark. 2017 Chevy Silverado. Yo, Willie!
That truck right there.
Penn Black. Volkswagen Modified. Penn Black. Dave May in a 1964 Falcon. Dave May. Steven. No. I know I do it wrong. I don't want to do it. I'm not doing it. Is it Wiener or Weiner? Who cares you won, whatever your name is? Bruce Armsby. Okay, Armsby. Bruce. No other name, Bruce. Scott Phillips, the orphan. You're an orphan. I'm just kidding. Jimmy Arbizu, the lowrider truck. 1951 Chevy. Jimmy Arbizu. How do you say your name? I know you're winning with that smile. Lafon. Import Brad with the Hyundai Velos. Okay, sorry. I know about old cars, okay? How do you say it? Yeah. Richard? Richard Drive. There you go. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Open car.
Lord, give me an angel.
Ruben Jimenez.
Faithful.
With a Chevelle 66.
Ruben so hateful.
Jimenez.
You run through my
The
mind and I
open
really
car.
can't take you. James Harden at the Garden when I'm going off. You see the gold around my neck, I'm just showing off. Looking at the best, baby, I ain't gonna stop. Reaching for the mountaintop. Mountains really coming, forever climbing, grinding. What the fuck am I becoming? Shit is so dope, got the 12 rate summons. Always like the boat from hell I've been running. Yeah. From hell I've been running all of my life. I've been focused on my craft, making fans every night. I ain't focused on your compliments or peasy advice. I'm focused on the message when I sit down and write. Told is lies, what I say is truth. Time to cut ties, to pave a better route. There's a purpose now for being in the booth. Music helps save my life, it can save yours too. Running through the jungle like Columbine. Slicing through the forest just to make it out alive. My friends ain't believe me, just give me some time. A little preparation, I'ma cross that line. Yeah, and ain't shit change except some fame. Never want change, no you want stay the same. A lot of people gonna try and steer you in the wrong direction. They gonna try and pass judgment on you about what you should and shouldn't be doing. But at the end of the day, you yourself can only decide that. Take me for example. I blocked out all the noise, locked myself in my room for a couple years and just look at the goddamn music I'm making now. And that's thanks to myself. So remember, at the end of the day, you can do any of that shit. Follow your path, do what the fuck you wanna do, fuck what everyone else has to say. That's when greats are born. Woo!
Ain't nothing gonna make me stop. I'ma take another shot. Watch this record